All right, guys, wanted to go over how to submit CPEs for Fortinet training through the training portal. So logged in, went to my completed tab here, and went down to my FortiSwitch course that I went into. I scrolled all the way down, saw my ISC2 CPE credits, just for going through the videos, not doing any certifications or anything like that. Downloaded that and pulled this up. It's just a good little document that I can submit along with my credits. So I then logged into ISC2. We're just going to start by setting the date. Double check this, August 11th, 2023. And I usually just say I worked on it for at least a week. Because it's been a while, so I don't actually know how long it took, but we'll just say it was a week. And this was my education course seminar. The title is just going to be this course name here. Fortinet was the training provider. The credits is going to be the 11 for this one, just based on 11 hours of training. I'm not going to put anything inside the summary, and then I'm just going to upload the file. And there we go. So after that, I should be able to save and continue. And then it actually even tells me right here, the domain that it was within is communication and network security. So I'm just going to select that, save and continue. And then there's just a review of everything I already submitted. We'll submit it. And there you go. So you can keep submitting all of the other ones that you definitely submitted on time. Didn't wait until the last 6 months like me. And yeah, nice and easy.